Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback GT. It's an A code 289 and a 4-speed too. Finished in red with a black interior, buckets, center console, GT fogs. Beautiful restoration. Car has 90,000 original miles on it. Beautiful paint, chrome, stainless. Just ready to enjoy. Got the pony wheels on it. GT stripe. I think it's a real GT because of the placement of the fog light switch and the wiring. Correct Trumpet exhaust. Gorgeous, super straight body. Beautiful paint. Paint is just gleaming. Runs and drives fantastic. I can find a scratch on this car. Cold here today, 40 degrees. Bucket seats, center console, rally pack, beautiful steering wheel, gorgeous door panels all the way around, fold down rear seat, thanks to the 2+2. Brand new floor mats all the way around, including the trunk. These just pop down, just like that. See, the carpet is pretty, super nice. Even the backs of the seats. $90,211 original miles. Rally pack. Looks like all the gauges are working nice. Four-speed console. Seatbelts all the way around. Oh my god, the radio works.
Meeting 4th ranked Oklahoma in Atlanta.
If you like AM, it works. Man, such a pretty car. Nice clear glass all the way around. Proper felts in the windows, as you can see. $289 under the hood. See, it's got all the correct power clamps in here. Ford Motor Company hoses. Regular manifolds, no crazy headers or anything like that. Brand new battery with a cutoff switch. Got all the correct red Oxide primer on the floors and everything as well. Check out those pictures on our main website. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.